everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve an arithmetic expression which contains an unknown variable which is a. So we have to find out the value of a in this expression and find out what is the correct answer. To solve this expression, we will use the order of operation method, and you can say the BODMAS and PEMDAS or PEDMAS method. You can use any of them and find out the value of A, which is correct using the order of operation. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. And now let's recall the PEMDAS and BODMAS method. According to the BODMAS and PEMDAS method, we have to find out, like in the expression, we have to find out first the bracket or parenthesis. What is the parenthesis and bracket? If your expression has the curly bracket, rounded bracket, and square bracket, so you have to solve that part first. And after that, if you have any exponent or a square root in your expression, so you have to solve after bracket that part. And similarly, if you have the division and multiplication in your expression, so you go left to right in your expression and find out which is coming first, because division and multiplication has similar precedence. So you have to first find out which expression is coming first. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division one. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication. Don't worry, like you are using the PEMDAS and BODMAS method, you can use any, you can solve any operation which is coming first, because they have division and multiplication have the similar precedence. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, they also have the similar precedence. So if you are going left to right according to the order of operation or PEMDAS and BODMAS method, you have to go the left to right in that expression and find out which is coming first. If addition is coming first, so you have to solve that part first. And if subtraction is coming first, so you have to solve the expression first. So now let's start the topic, how we can solve this given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method. So now let's check this. Here we have, if you see on in the screen, so you can see according to the PEMDAS and BODMAS method, you have to solve the bracket first. So in our expression, we have the bracket here, which is 8 minus 6. So first we have to solve this part in that expression. And we will write as it is other things. So here 18 divided by 3 minus 8 equals to 8 minus 2, which is equals to 2 plus 6. Now we will give the reference here. Here we have doing like which part we have solved first. So here we solve first. Now we will move forward again, left to right. One more thing, for bracket, you don't see the left to right expression. You have to just check the where is the bracket or parenthesis is coming. So you have to solve that part first. Now again, now we will move forward left to right and find out the exponent is coming in given expression. So you do not have the square or any square root. So now we have to move forward and check that the division or multiplication is coming first. So now we will go left to right and find out like which is coming first. So here we have the division first. So we will solve this part first. Now we will solve 18 divided by 3, which is equals to 6, minus a multiplied by 2 plus 6. Now we will move forward and we have to give the here 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. Now again we will go left to right and check which part we will solve first. So according to the BODMAS and PEMDAS method, we have to solve the multiplication or division first. But in our expression, we cannot solve this part. This part we cannot solve because we have the unknown variable which is coming with a. So we cannot like predict like what is the a and b. And here we have to find the value of a. So we will not solve this part in that expression. We have to solve first this plus 6 with this plus 6. So now we will solve this part. 6 plus 6. So here we will write like 6 plus 6 is 12 minus a multiplied by 2. Now we will give the reference here plus 6 equals to 12. Now we have the here unknown a. So now we will shift a multiplied by 2 to the left hand side. So shift a multiplied by 2 to left hand side equals to 12. And again, we have to find the value of a. So here we will have equals to 12 upon 12 divided by 2. So now we have the value of a equals to 6. So you have to see like here we have the value of a equals to 6, not minus 6. We have the 6 because when we shift the a multiplied by 2 to left hand side, so it becomes the positive because in right hand side it was the negative sign. So now we have the answer is the 6. So I hope you understand how you can solve and find out the value of a. So in answer list, if you see, so we have the value, the answer is C, which is 6. So I hope you understand. That's it for today. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.